How to turn off professional mode. On Facebook, in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. The first step is to open the Facebook mobile application. This is the homepage of the app, as you can see here. From there, tap on the profile icon. It's this icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of the app. Here, there are various sections that you can use to navigate different areas of the app. From them, tap on your profile name. It's this area here, as shown. This will take you to the main profile page of your account. On this page, there are several features and sections. From those, the one we need is the profile settings. It's the option with the 3 dots. Once you tap on it, you will land on the profile settings page. As you can see here, go through the available options and tap on the one labelled Turn Off Professional Mode. When you tap on it, you will see this confirmation page where Facebook asks you to confirm your action. Go ahead and tap the confirmation button here. After that, professional mode will be turned off. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to turn off professional mode on Facebook.